Come test drive the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, convertible soft top, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.